Assalamualaikum. Today our group will be present about the ITT588-GROUP website. First, before we start, I would like to introduce our group members. My name is Jazmi and the other group member is Ahmad Aziz, Muhammad Zamani and Aiman Bukhari. Okay, now this is the homepage for ITT588-GROUP website. Here has the view service button and cost calculator button, which is view service button. It will redirect to the service page, and cost calculator button will redirect to the calculator page. And when we scroll down, that's the detail or the reason why user need to choose ITT588-Pro service. And here has the calculate cost button and meet our team button. Calculate cost will redirect to the calculator page. Same goes like the top here, and meet our team button will redirect to the about page. And at the top of the website has the navigation bar, which is home, service, calculator and about. And now we go to the survey page. Here has the service detail. For example, pen service, here has the service detail, price and the service in the pen service, and also has the select service button. It will redirect to the calculator page. And same goes to the other service, engine oil service, tire service and air conditioning service. And now we go to the calculator page. Here user will calculate their total price of the service that they choose. And last but not least is about page. Here has the our story background and has the group member details in ITT588-Pro company or service. And last has the our value, which is value for ITT588-Pro service. And that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Aziz bin Azmi, and for today I'm going to present to you the design of our website named ITT588-Pro. For the first, we have our landing page, which is the index. And this page serves as the entry point to the app. It communicates using trust, professionalism, and a quick overview of what ITT588-Pro offers. The key design element in the index is we have the hero section, which is the professional AutoCAD services you can trust. As you can see over here, we highlight the AutoCAD with blue color. We also use a big bold typography and a dynamic color styling. We also have a dual button with animation that scale on hover, such as view services and cost calculator that will guide the user to service or calculate page. Next, we have a featured section. This section shows the 4 core services with icons and description for clarity. For example, paint services, engine maintenance, tire service, cost calculator. All of these have an animation when it got hover. Next, we have a CTA section. For this section, we use a strong visual contrast and a quick access to booking or learning about the theme. Next is the service listing page. This page provides the users with a detailed breakdown of available services and what's included, which can help them make informed decisions. For the key design element in this web page, we have services card. As you can see, each of these cards includes an icon, title, price, and featured list. It also has a user interaction, such as when the user selects a service show, it will redirect to the cost calculator of the chosen services, such as engine oil service. For the navigation and the footer, also the header in this page, we reuse from shared component for consistency. This card in these pages help generate an array of service objects, which make us list easily maintainable and expandable. Next, we have calculator pages. So these pages allow the user to select multiple services, apply optional discount, and view real-time cost estimate including tax. For the key design element in these pages, we have service checklist, where the user can select any combination of services, and also a live calculation that count the subtotal, discount, tax, and total update instantly. For example, 20% discount and 5% SST rate. We also apply color mode awareness that adapt based on colorblind mode in these pages. You can see over here. Next, we have a color context.tsx, which is a page for color accessibility controlling. Okay, for this one, we are using a wrap context to wrap the app and provide the colorblind mode toggle to all components, such as home, services, calculator, and also about. This toggle function is easily integrated into button, settings, or user preferences. For now, I'm going to show you the way we handle our error. As you can see over here, this is a not found pages, and this page is where we error handling. As you can see over here, if the user access a non-existing page, it will display 404 error. User attempted to access non-existent routes. We also design it to make it more attention, and when the user access the page, it's going to see 404 and oops, page not found. And we also put return to home button. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zamani bin Muhammad Azri. My serial number is 2024296726, and I'm going to be explaining about our user interface color decision and our integration for colorblind user people, which we integrate for protanopia colorblindness people, which for red blindness color. When we are designing our website, one of our top priorities was creating a visually appealing and user-friendly interface that can be comfortably used by all visitors, regarding visibility issue, whether it is normal user or colorblind user. And what we need to achieve this is we have the option for select the color palette of our website, and we choose these three color for aesthetic appeal, clarity, and easy accessibility for our user. And I'm gonna start with for normal vision user. And for our normal vision user, we use three core color, which is bold shade of blue for our primary color. This is used prominently for all call to action button, like for example in our website we have view services and any of the navigation highlights within our website, and also the icon. And why we choose blue is because blue naturally conveys trust, professionalism, and calmness, which aligns well with our brand identity in developing this website. And next is the color vibrant orange in our website. It is to serve as our secondary color. It complements the blue color by providing a different contrast and guiding our user attention to important action, like in example to our website is cost calculator. Orange, the orange color evokes an energy and urgency, and making like more effective of drawing attention of user without being too aggressive to the specific button. For example, our main website function is cost calculator. And finally, we rely on white and light grey color tone as our background and neutral element. This keep This overall keeps our interface clean, reduce visual clutter, sorry, and allow the color blue and orange element to stand out clearly in our website. Together, this color create a harmonious and a professional like look website while maintaining an excellent readability within our website. And however, as I mentioned earlier, we implement uh, integration for color blindness people. Here, in our button color customization, we have three options: default, ocean blue, and sunset orange. And our website focus on the protanomia color blindness. And I'm gonna start explaining a little bit. No, I will tell a little bit about protanopia, which is a form of red green color blindness. And in this color palette, we try to avoid problematic red green combination, which are difficult for them to distinguish between this color. Alright, I'm gonna start first with ocean blue. As you can see, in our website there will be a subtle difference within the hue and contrast, and those color difference, and this color difference we make like flexibility for them to choose for a monochromatic blue. And now and next is the sunset orange theme, which is mainly what I'll call is color. Wait, I forgot. The color red orange and yellow orange light color. Yes, this oh this color provide different brightness and saturation between our website. And like I mentioned, for the protanopia people, they will have a difficult time differentiating between red and green. And because color orange and white is like a very contrast color between them, it will help them navigate through our website better, and ensuring a consistent accessibility and a consistent view, or like for better eye comfort for them, so that they can read and navigate through our website more cleanly and more and, and have a more no I mean and have a better user experience within our website. And ultimately, our goal for this website is not just only to create a website for normal for normal user, but we want this website to be able to be used for everybody, not only for the normal people, including the colorblind people. And I think that's it for color and color changing for our website. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, today I want to explain about the for my part. Okay, my name is Aiman Bukhari bin Muhammad Shukri. My student ID 2024-264 and 114. Okay, basically I want to explain about the cost calculator based on the front end. Okay, from what that I use for the front end for the calculator is using JavaScript. Okay, I will click if I click the cost calculator at this button on the front page, it will go route to the calculator page. And then for the calculator, I use just select the service, and then it has this have the value already. So basically I just click, let's say I want to make some paint service, let's say 800, and then this is SST rate, and then engine oil and tire service and air conditioning. Okay, let's say these are all total of the calculation. So if the car have a discount, just change it. Okay, it will appear the discount rate at here, and it will reduce it from the current price. So for the reset calculator, if the user want the reset, is a reset, and then you will reset the entire calculator. So and then for, let's say I click a paint service and engine oil, so I will so the user will click the request code, uh, code, sorry, and then it will appear the alert from here, as you can see. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.